Oh, what do we have here? Universal Studios shoplifting arrest turns into full struggle on camera.
Welcome back to Cop Action on Cam. In today's video, we're at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure in Orlando, Florida.
Ooh.
Police were called after park security spotted a woman taking an $82 Jurassic Park backpack from a shop.
$82?
She was escorted to the security office, but that's where things quickly escalated. Throughout the encounter, she gave multiple versions of her age and date of birth, apparently trying to avoid being identified, and once an officer attempted to place her under arrest, a prolonged struggle ensued over the woman's cell phone. Now buckle up and let's roll the footage.
Hey, how old are you? Put the phone down.
Ooh. I can tell by them eyebrows and them edges, she on bullshit.
Where's your ID?
I don't have ID.
Well, how did you get here? If you're from Alabama, you don't have ID.
I ain't come up here with ID. I don't have ID.
Put the phone down.
I'm trying to call somebody.
Who you trying to call?
Listen, I'm the police, all right?
No, my
Okay, this is police department.
no.
So now you're done dealing with them because they don't want to deal with you because you keep giving them a runaround stories.
No, because
So
they keep
how
trying to
old
make
are
me
you
get-
really?
They trying to make me give them my money, and that's not going to happen.
Listen,
Them some big ass nostrils.
first of all, you're already seen on camera taking money.
Yeah, and I gave it back though.
So-
She trying to say she had
and then-
more than what she had, and she didn't.
So the other thing is, I need to know who you really are.
My name is Devondra. You don't see my
And
name?
how old are you? And I need the evidence. What's in there? You have a wallet in there? You got something in there?
No, I don't have nothing up in here. That man, they just checked
Take
me.
it off.
What's the point? This my purse.
Okay, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna wind up going to jail
All right, yeah, you being non-compliant and you being annoying at this point.
in 2 seconds.
Okay, but this
Okay.
my purse though.
I know. Either way, I'm gonna get your purse because
Yeah,
you're
but
gonna wind
they
up
just
going to
checked-
jail.
they
So
just checked-
put it on here.
You got a Coca-Cola.
I put it on the side.
Stay in traffic. Do you need me to stay 10 until Charlie comes back?
You finna check my purse?
Or I actually need you to be 51 over to Forbidden Journey.
I don't know how they do it in Alabama,
They just checked my purse.
but this is Florida, and I need your ID.
They just checked my purse.
Okay, well they're not the police.
26 is doing for the
Exactly.
How old are you really? How old
She looked about 30.
are you really? How old are you really?
Can I get my purse?
How old are you really?
I just said 20. Can I get my purse?
What's your DL number?
My who?
Your driver license
I don't
number.
have- I just-
What is the number?
I
Do you
don't
know
have it. I've
Okay.
never had one.
You never had when you're
No,
20 years old
I
out of
swear to God,
Alabama.
I
You never
never
had
had
one. You
one.
never had an ID at Alabama.
No, I never had it. Never.
What's your social? Have you been arrested in Alabama?
She don't got a social neither.
No, never.
You've never been arrested in Alabama.
Never. You can look up my stuff if you want.
So now you went from 17, 18, and now you're 20.
I never. See, you been talking too much. I tell them I was 18. For real, for real.
So now you're 20.
She playing
So
games.
what's your real date of birth then?
That's the right birth.
What is it?
That's the right one. March 4th. That's my date.
March 4th what?
2-4. That's my birthday.
So you just changed your thing like 20 times. March 4th, 20.
Everything else is correct.
What's your first name?
Devondra.
I can't read that. Spell it.
That's how you spell it.
I know, I
Spell it.
cannot read that. And your last name is what? What's the word? Why has it got 2 last names here then?
You do not see 2 last names.
Right here.
That is my first name and my last name.
Well, it's asked for your
Well,
last
you
name.
see,
That's
If
why.
we wrote it again.
You have no middle name? Middle L?
Yeah.
Alright, put the phone there. Put the phone there.
And put your stomach up too. Damn.
Hang up the phone, put the phone there.
Why is that? Why
Stand
you
up.
not letting on my phone?
Stand up. Put your hands down.
Your ass going to jail. That's why.
Hands back.
Bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
But I'm keeping my phone. Like, when I'm gonna record.
What the hell? Why is she fighting?
I don't. What the hell? I'm not even doing nothing.
Hands behind your back.
I can't say that I'm not surprised. When I seen her demeanor, I already seen what time it was. Off the rip, with the edges and the eyelashes, I already knew what time it was.
No, do not play my phone. I need this.
You can't take it in jail.
Oh, give me my phone.
Sharkeisha.
Give me my phone. I'm not even playing. Like, you know you do. You know you wrong because you take my phone. Oh, God. Like, give me my phone.
Just stop. You're
Give me
making
my
it worse.
phone.
You're making
Give
it
me my
worse.
phone.
Stop.
My phone. Give me my phone. Yes, I do. Guys, y'all know this is against the law.
No, stealing is against the law. That's why you in handcuffs.
He's got a camera. There's a camera.
Okay, and I'm simping. I'm gonna
Just
tell you
stop.
why the
You're
last
making it
y'all
worse.
just told me
Just
against the
stop.
table and everything.
Stop and relax.
Oh God! Oh, I'm like, wait.
Over an $84 backpack, you doing all of this? We got to get our priorities in order.
Talk about it. Oh God, I'm not playing. I can't wait till I go through him. I swear to God.
Can you stop swearing to God? Because God can't help you in this situation. God can't help your foolishness now. Come on now.
God, this man literally just threw me on the table. Y'all are men. Y'all let him. Oh God, y'all just saying let him. Y'all fulfill let him fucking man. Oh God, y'all this man threw me on the table. And you talking about respect. And you talking about your people.
Find
You
out.
fuck. You let this man say it, threw me on the table. Ain't no way there. First of all, that's against the law. You don't even supposed to be touching me. They supposed to have a female in here.
No, that's not it.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Stop.
What is she doing now?
Bro, you just threw me. You don't even supposed to be handling me like this. For one.
Oscar 371 headquarters.
Oh God, I cannot wait for my uncle to get down
Can
here.
I get a 45?
How my uncle do that? You find everything else how do? Oh God, I'm not even playing no more at this point. That's why y'all want me right now.
How many times has she said on God, y'all? Has anybody been keeping count? I want to say about 20.
Like find this bitch with me. Oh God.
Stop it.
There you go right
Man,
there.
Can you please get off of me?
No.
On
Threw
God.
me on the table. You know you wrong as fuck. You know that. I swear to God you do, bro. On God, you know
The security
you wrong.
office?
3 times.
Threw me on that table like that. Oh God. My baby, like you really do that.
On God, on God, on God, on God, on God. Shut the fuck up. I'm pretty sure God tired of hearing his name by you.
Oh God, you ain't even had to throw me like that. And you knew that. Oh God, you did. That shit lame, bro. Oh God, you not have to throw me like that. The world, you literally just sat right here and threw me and I wasn't even doing nothing to you. You wanted to do that the whole time.
You're resisting.
Now what's the resistance? Tell them right
You obviously don't
Oh my
want
baby,
resistance.
I want resistance.
Obviously,
That's
you're
why
not
I didn't want to be
resisting.
called
Do not put that on a beautiful baby soul.
down here with me. Oh God, y'all racist and y'all weird as Oh Jesus, like this shit not even funny. You just threw me on the table.
That's the first time I heard her say on Jesus. She usually been saying on God.
Tell them why the camera's back. The hell, I wasn't resisting from you. Stop lying. And you know that you racist as on God you is. That's why you doing it. The you weird. It's
If we ain't learned no new words today, we learned on God.
oh God. You just sat up there and threw me on the table for what? What I'm gonna do to you? I'm a whole female. Like you wow.
Yes, sir. He's just waiting for us.
Can you please stop? You hurt my shoulder. Can you please stop? You are hurting my shoulder. Can you please stop? You are hurting my shoulder. My shoulder. My shoulder.
All right, well,
Stop acting up then. A hard head make a soft ass.
Oh, God. Give my phone.
Please calm her down. He's unable to reach his radio. He's trying to get up.
Can you please stop?
Stop.
Bro, I swear to God, this bitch trying to break my fucking arm. Stop!
Stop.
The hell? You about to break my arm?
You're making it worse. Stop.
Man, tell that man to get out me, bro. Oh, God.
this is not how this
You're
works.
making it worse. Just stop and relax. Please.
Man, y'all didn't even want to to my phone.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're
No,
gonna hurt
he gonna
yourself.
hurt me and I'm sue his ass. That's what I wanted to do while you hitting me like that. You know you ain't even got to do all that. My whole female ain't no You act like you got to do that. You want to do that.
Shavonda,
That ain't no cause he wrong. No.
stop.
That man just threw me all type of places. I'm not playing, bro. No. Dang.
Relax. Relax.
Bro, can you give me my shoe?
Take the
And
phone
can you
out of
please
here.
get off of me? Bro, can you give me my shoe?
Take the
And
phone
can you
out of
please
here.
get off of me? Why is you throwing my shoe out the door? What is wrong with y'all? What the f-? Like, this shit is weird as hell.
Well, stop
That's
moving
why I don't
around
want
and
to be
just
calling
sing
nobody
it.
down here. That's why. No, because you wrong and you said being told me in my face. Like, you wild. No, get out my face. Like, I'm not even playing no more at this point. Move out my face.
They was never playing with you in the first place.
Man, what you just put me in handcuffs for?
I told you, you're under arrest.
Dumbass.
Now I'm under arrest. Be for real.
Let's get put her in my car.
This man, is you stand up? Can I get my shoe, please? Please, because this man just threw me on the table and he know that.
You need to walk or you're going to get another charge.
Okay, can I please put my shoe on
We're
though?
going to get it for you, but you need to go to the car right now.
Can you get my purse and stuff too?
She finally did calm down. I guess God reached out to her.
Why is the man still holding me? Can't you get
Because
me?
he's in charge of you right now.
He need to let me the go. Cause I don't want to ride with him. This man is racist.
Oh my own God, he is.
Why he steady helping you walk with me? He don't even need to be touching me.
He does have to.
No, he does not.
He does.
He doesn't. And can I please get my shoes? Like,
We in Orlando. I already knew it.
y'all literally let me walk outside without my shoe, man. Come on, man. Like, this is not even talking.
Hey, this lady funny, y'all.
For real. Like, you let me walk past my shoe. Literally, I could have put my shoe on when we outside. Come on now.
As soon as you get in the car, we're going to get it. Nothing?
Man, stop touching me. Stop touching me, bro. Cause you just touched. You just already checked me.
I didn't
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Stop lying.
car.
You just checked me.
Always over stupid misdemeanor charges. The biggest pain in the ass.
Yep, every time.
Excuse me, I just I know I'm not tripping. Tell me, I just it don't really supposed to be going through my stuff. Why is it in my phone?
He has to go through your stuff.
For what? They just went through my stuff. Man, where is on God is, and I'm not tripping at all. I'm not even from here. It just went through
Where
my
you from?
stuff. Selma, it just went through my stuff.
Alabama?
No, Selma.
Selma where?
Alabama, I'm not from here.
On God.
Did you get me?
Can you step out from me, please?
Can you get my stuff from him, please?
Turn around. We're gonna go ahead and face the 911.
Can you get my stuff from
Yeah,
him, please?
1 second. Let me just go ahead and check you. No, turn.
He going through my stuff.
All right,
and I
separate
knew
your
he
feet.
supposed to had me up
Ma'am,
going through my
hey,
purse.
I know you're going through it. Just listen to me, okay? Separate your feet for me. All right, is there anything in you that might sticker poke me?
He going through my stuff. I knew he ain't supposed to be going through my stuff because you supposed to be came and check me, right? Right? Okay.
Hold on,
You
stay
wasn't
right here.
tripping. Okay.
Stay right here.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
I'm
wanna
here to
talk-
check you.
Yes, and I want to talk to somebody too, cause he ain't supposed to be check me. He was checking me and everything, and he ain't supposed to be. And I told him that. He said yes, he did.
So they can if there's not a female available, okay? And it was last minute that I was available.
No,
So-
they can't. That's against the law. That's against the law. I mean, they
Now she trying to tell the cop what is and against the law.
supposed to wait till a female come. They do not supposed to check me. I know that for a fact.
She been arrested too many
And
times.
I'm gonna make sure I tell somebody at their own department, cause he ain't supposed to be checking me or my
I'm gonna
stuff.
just make sure there's nothing else under here, okay? Okay, and you don't have anything here? All right, just gotta check.
You straight?
All right,
But he ain't supposed to be checking me. That's all I'm saying.
and this is a wig, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, is there anything in here?
No.
All right, you're good.
On God.
And can you do some of these, please?
That's up to him. I'm sorry about that.
Lean forward. Lean forward to the side.
A little more so he can help you with your cups, okay?
She
To the
childish.
side, otherwise I can't get to him.
At the time of production, this case was closed. The suspect was charged with petty theft and resisting without violence.
A petty misdemeanor is crazy to be acting like that.
She pled no contest and was sentenced to a fine and court costs of over $2,000.
Ooh,
Thanks for watching this episode of
crime is expensive. Shit.
Cop Action on Cam. If you found this breakdown interesting, hit the
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.